You search for how to buy shares of Pro Medicus Limited, a medical imaging software company that develops radiology workflow and diagnostic image management solutions. It trades on CBOE AUS under the ticker PME.ASX, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the broker's search bar and type the ticker PME.ASX to find the listing. Confirm you have located the Pro Medicus Limited share on the CBOE AUS market. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Check the issuer name, exchange, and ticker before proceeding. To invest, click Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a market or limit order depending on your choice. If you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be finalized. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed or queued, so you can monitor it there. For convenience, the broker link is in the description if you want to review the platform used in this demo.